me Teya, Suchira. If you want to know more about Thailand, please make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you will not miss anything about my country. Today I come to Chiang Mai and this is my second day that I come back to eat the same kind of food. So I think it must be very good and I want to recommend you. This food is not particularly Thai food, but it's one of the street food that Thai people love to eat very much. And this kind of food is called Suki. Suki. Does it sound like Japanese or some kind of Chinese, right? Yes, it is. It's not Thai food, but Suki is kind of healthy food, and the sauce, which is they put it on the top, is very good. So once when I come here to Chiang Mai, I just want to try, and also I want to show you what kind of street food that Thai people love to eat, and today don't miss it. This is the street food that I come to eat. All the table around here, they're all people who come to eat suki. And there's so many people. They come from all over the country, especially Bangkok.
ขอเชิญหมายเลข
Okay, we got table. Got table now. So we just have to wait for the queue. Oh, look at this. Okay, we have the chicken eggs glass noodle. Chicken eggs glass noodle, cabbage, morning glory. This is a glass noodle. Then they just put the pork. Got it now. Oh, look at this. It looks so good and yummy, and oh my god, smells so good. And also they have the sauce, and this is like a highlight because going to each suki restaurant, the highlight and the reason that we love is differently is just because of the sauce. And this place has such a great sauce, so we just put it on the top and then just stir, and then we just eat it.
Special จะแบ่งกันเหรอ
So good. So oh my god, it's just a little spicy, but it's not really spicy, just so little, but it's so good. This is Suki. Suki, that is very easy. Suki is a word of the Japanese and also Chinese style, but once when you come to Thailand, I'm pretty sure the taste of Suki in Thailand is also different, and this is one of the very famous dishes from street food in Thailand. So anywhere you go in Thailand, no matter north, east, south, or anywhere of the country, you can find this kind of dish because it's just like a very common street food. Just remember, Suki is very healthy food as well. So in case that you come to Chiang Mai, I highly recommend you to come and eat Suki. Here is called Suki Chang Phuek, and I'm going to put a Google map in this description just in case you come here. But if you don't come to Chiang Mai, it can be anywhere in Bangkok or anywhere in the country in Thailand. Don't miss to try to eat this kind of dish, Suki, and you will love it. So thank you so much for today, and I hope you enjoy, and I hope that you learn a little bit new things about Thailand street food, and if you have a chance, please don't miss to have a try because I love this very much, especially the one which is dry. Yeah. Anyway, if you want to see anything about Thailand, you are more than welcome to just write down a comment to me, and if you appreciate it, to learn something new from my channel, and if you want to support my channel and you want to buy me a coffee, you can have a look in the description also how to buy me a coffee. And for today, thank you so much for watching until the end, and I will see you next time very soon. สวัสดีค่ะ